This is an emergency action notification. Important details will follow. All broadcast will be off air until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. 6 nuclear missiles are coming towards the west coast of the United States. Here are the following states have been targeted: California, Texas, Arizona, Washington, Nevada, New Mexico, and Oregon. Multiple nuclear missiles are targeting other countries including Canada, Mexico, and the United Kingdom. The launch of the nuclear missiles has remained unknown. If you are indoors, go to a fallout shelter. If you are outdoors, police, coast guards, and special weapons and tactic teams will take you to one. Pack food, water, and supplies. Bring a flashlight and a radio with batteries as the power may go out. The emergency action notification has now been activated.
Se trata de una emisión de emergencia por el gobernador de México. Esto no es una prueba. Repetición, esta no es una prueba. 5 misiles nucleares se dirigen a los siguientes estados: Michoacán, Hidalgo, Veracruz, Oaxaca y Chiapas. Varios misiles se dirigen para estos países: Estados Unidos, Canadá y Reino Unido. Los misiles de donde provienen permaneció desconocido. Tome las siguientes medidas: conseguirá un refugio, paquete de alimentos y suministros, conseguir una linterna. ¿Cómo el poder puede apagarse? Si no tienes un refugio en el país, policía y los militares le llevará uno. Se trata de una emisión de emergencia por el gobernador de México. Esto no es una prueba. Repetición, esta no es una prueba.
Your attention please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Nuclear missiles are heading towards the states of Canada including Alberta, British Columbia, and Yukon. Canada is not the only country being attacked. Other missiles are attacking these following countries: United States, Mexico, and the United Kingdom. It has been remained unknown of where the missiles came from. Seek shelter now. Pack food and water. If you do not have one, police and Canadian military will take you to one.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received. The current threat level is critical, meaning an attack is imminent. Civilians are advised to stay in their homes. Evacuations are currently taking place in the London area. All motorways and airports have been closed for military use. Non-essential telephone lines have also been temporarily disconnected. Please stand by and await further information. This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against...
Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter. Attack warning red. Attack warning red.